Imagine this: a routine day at an oil refinery, or perhaps you are driving behind a large tanker on the highway. Suddenly, without warning, a massive explosion erupts, leaving destruction in its wake. This catastrophic event is known as BLEVE, or boiling liquid expanding vapor explosion. Today, I will take you through the devastating history of BLEVE accident, explain what a BLEVE is, discuss how this explosion occur, and most importantly, explore how we can prevent them. BLEVE has left a trail of tragedy throughout the history. In 1959, Kansas City was rocked when 20,000 gallon gas tank exploded during a fire, tragically killing five firefighters. In 1978, a BLEVE in Spain claimed 217 lives when a tank transporting propylene exploded. But the most devastating of all occurred in San Juanico, Mexico in 1984, where explosion at Pemex LPG terminal killed 500 people, turning the area into a scene of utter devastation. These incidents remind us of the catastrophic power of BLEVE and need for vigilance in our industry. But what is BLEVE? Simply put, a BLEVE occurs when a pressurized tank containing liquid above its boiling point fails. The rapid drop of pressure causes the liquid to vaporize explosively, creating an intense pressure wave. If the liquid is flammable, this often leads to a massive fireball. The contents of the tank, typically a mix of liquid and vapor, become a deadly force when tank structure fails, leading to a rapid and violent explosion. Now, what causes BLEVE? The most common trigger is failure of the tank structure due to an external fire or corrosion. As the fire hits the tank, the internal pressure rises until the tank can no longer contain it, leading to a rupture. The sudden release of vapor creates a shock wave, and if there is an ignition source nearby, the result can be catastrophic. It's a blast. It is important to note that BLEVEs are not limited to the flammable liquids. Even cryogenic substances like liquid helium, nitrogen can cause BLEVE, although these typically do not involve in firewall. Preventing BLEVE is crucial, and fortunately, modern safety measures have made significant strides. Tanks are now equipped with ventilation valves designed to release pressure and prevent explosion. However, these valves can sometimes fail to release the vapor quickly enough, leaving us vulnerable. To combat this, the European Federation of Chemical Engineering advocates for a strategy focused on preventing losses of both product and energy. Advanced simulations have shown that using insulating coatings on tanks can drastically reduce the risk of failure during fires. With proper protection, tanks can withstand extreme conditions for much longer, reducing the likelihood of a BLEVE. In conclusion, BLEVEs are a deadly threat that can strike without a warning, but they are preventable. By learning from the past tragedies, implementing rigorous safety protocols, and continuously improving our protective measures can make BLEVE a thing of the past. Let's honor the memory of those lost in these tragic events by committing to a future where safety is our top priority.